Hey guys, it's Mike at BigFoot Trailers. I'm going to show you guys our newest product, which is our Flatbed Gooseneck series trailers. They're your dream come true if you're in the market right now for a flatbed trailer because it's got so many cool features. The first, we'll just start right here at the front, is the Demco coupler. Instead of using the Chinese couplers like pretty much everybody else, whether this coupler's open or closed, it's gonna go on the ball. The only way it's gonna come off is if you open the paddle, but even if it's closed, it goes on the ball. Almost every single day, we get asked, do you offer this trailer with mega ramps or monster ramps? The answer is right now, the answer is no. What we found is we built some trailers with the mega and the monster ramps, whatever you want to call them, but they're all made, as you know, to come back and close on the deck and make the dovetail flat. The problem with the mega ramps and the monster ramps is they're all made out of 3/16 bent sheet metal, which definitely has its place, but not with driving a 12,000 pound skid steer or a 15,000 pound mini excavator on it. What BigFoot decided to do is do the things the BigFoot way, and it's everything extreme duty. We have 4-inch channel, 3 channels in a row. This ramp is extremely heavy duty. It has spring return to make it easy to put up. Like everything on our trailers, we try to overbuild it. This is an 8-inch quarter wall tubing rear end, laser cut. It's the heaviest duty rear end that you're gonna find on a trailer out there of this caliber. Paint's one of the most important things on a trailer. Is it gonna actually stand the test of time? BigFoot Trailers uses a mechanical abrasion system to clean the steel. We use a phosphoric wash to wash the steel and acid etch it. Then we use a 2-part epoxy. It's what they use on things out in the ocean. If you're gonna have a part machine, ships, all those kind of parts get epoxy coat, just like what we use on this trailer. This trailer's got the epoxy coat first, then it gets a 2-part high-end urethane that's made to last longer in the Florida sun. One of the cool things about this trailer is the safety chains. These are 1/2-inch, big giant safety chains, welded, fabricated holders to hold it on. The gooseneck head itself is a engineered head. At its narrowest point, you're at 13 inches. It gets up to around 15 inches when you get into the stress points. Back here at the serious stress, we're at 16 inches, as much as 22 inches, and it stays to a minimum of 16 inches all the way down. This trailer comes standard with a big giant cabinet, a flip down spare mount that lets this spare tire down into the bed of your truck. It comes standard with a big winch mount. This thing was sized for a Harbor Freight winch and a Warren winch. Of all the features on this trailer, the one that we love to talk about the most and the one that we're most proud of is the Torflex Dexter axles. I wouldn't own a trailer that doesn't have Torflex axles. Instead of them being a 5-year warranty like on the Lippert spring axles, you get a 10-year warranty. There's no springs, no hanger parts to wear out, nuts and bolts to rust. It's all one-piece axle with rubber torsion system. Each wheel has independent suspension, so the ride is much better. Even on 25,000 pound trailers or 25.9 GVWR trailers, 10-ply tires, having 8 of them on the ground is just asking for a nightmare. This trailer comes with 17.5, 16-ply tires. The tread is probably 4 times as thick as it is on most 10-ply tires. It's like a mini semi-truck tire. So if you're in the market for a heavy-duty beast gooseneck, don't forget to check us out at bigfoottrailers.net.